In this video, we'll explore the different types of networks in Cuemby Cloud and how to create them to securely and efficiently connect our cloud resources. Networks are the foundation of cloud connectivity. Through them, instances, services, and platforms can communicate with each other via the internet when necessary. Cuemby Cloud offers various network types to suit different security, isolation, and external access scenarios. To begin, we'll access the Cuemby Cloud portal and select the Network section. From here, we can create and manage the different types of networks available on the platform. Let's start with private networks. A private network enables internal communication between resources, such as virtual machines, without direct internet exposure. This type of network is ideal for production environments that require secure isolation, communication between databases, internal applications and services, and multi-layered architectures, such as front-end, back-end, and databases. During creation, we define parameters such as the IP address range, the network name, and the associated project. Now let's move on to public networks. Public networks allow resources to have direct internet access, either to consume external services or to publish applications. These networks are commonly used when an instance needs to be accessible from the internet. Direct access is required for updates or external integrations. In Cuemby Cloud, public networks can be combined with security mechanisms such as firewalls or load balancers, service networks, or shared networks. Cuemby Cloud also allows the use of service networks or shared networks, which facilitate connections to manage components of the platform. These networks are useful for connecting instances to managed services, centralizing connectivity across multiple projects, and simplifying complex architectures. Once networks are created, they can be associated with various resources, such as virtual machines, load balancers, Kubernetes clusters, VPNs, site-to-site, client-to-site, and more. When working with networks in Cuemby, it's important to remember that a private network is for internal communication, exposing internet services only when necessary, and complementing networks with firewall rules and access control. These practices help maintain secure, organized, and scalable environments. In summary, Cuemby Cloud offers different types of networks that allow you to build flexible, secure architectures adaptable to any need. Thank you for joining us, and we invite you to continue exploring Cuemby Cloud's networking and connectivity capabilities.